Are you a realtor struggling to make homes shine before a showing? You're not alone. A clean home can make all the difference in closing a deal quickly. Enter TidyTex Home Cleaning, your go-to cleaning service powered by retired Army veterans in San Antonio. Our dedicated team specializes in preparing homes for sale, ensuring they look impeccable for open houses or buyer visits. With our flexible scheduling and quick turnaround, your properties can sparkle just in time to impress potential buyers. Imagine how much faster your listings could close when they radiate cleanliness and warmth. Here's a quick tidy tip. Before a showing, open all the blinds and turn on the lights. This simple step brightens the space and highlights the home's best features, making it feel more inviting and spacious. With TidyTex by your side, you'll elevate property showings and enhance buyer comfort, ultimately leading to faster sales and happier clients. Ready to transform your listings into irresistible homes? Check the video description for our website, phone number, and email. Contact us today, and let's make those homes shine together. Your success is just a clean home away.